Crypto's poppin'. Welcome, friends. We're gonna start in 10 minutes here. Let people file in.
hop around. I've got some dry powder ready to load the cannons for this week.
Hey, right on, Mr. Nimbus. Very nice message. Thanks so much. It's a good week for it. Tuesday's gonna be good. Glad you're here. Glad you're doing alright.
Sorry, I'm still ha 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 7,777,777.
Who is that? That's Mr. Nimbus again. Yarr! Crypto special. Thanks for the 7s, brother. Hey, Carl from Florida. Good afternoon, my friends. Coming at you live, 12:40 p.m. West Coast, USA. How we all doing? Crypto crew, welcome. I was about to dive into some afternoon charting. I thought you might like to join. Let's do this. Diving right into the matrix. Crypto's booming. We hit 52,000 BTC. That's a big number. Let's get some sevens in the chat. I wanna know who's here. Well, happy Labor Day. Labor Day, holiday crypto special. Crypto never sleeps, neither does the captain. Italian Stallion, John Cass, Chloe, Chalupa Batman, Native, Lucas Castillo, Eric Deach, Sir Nimbus, J Bakes over on Twitch, Soda Line, Chloe, Callie, Corey, Voice, Matrix, Skill Feed, James Sweeney. Everyone's having a good afternoon. Carl. You probably are if you're invested in altcoins. William. It's not just Bitcoin booming, right? Also, another interesting thing is the dollar index keeps moving. DXY is moving right now, guys. No holiday break from that. Hey, Robert Belton. AMCOG. Shout out to Ireland. Yeah, so we have very rough crypto charts right now. I thought it was a perfect opportunity to fine-tune them to work on some of our crypto charts. And we're up to par with our stock charts. We have nice stock charts. Technicals laid out all over them. These are just rough breakout charts. Got Ethereum. Ethereum's pushing right up on 4,000 there. In a bullish consolidation, might I add. Hey, Dr. Scott, we just started like 1 minute ago. Unplanned. I would have announced it, but there was no plan. So, make use of me. You pretty much got me all yourself in the chat. A lot less viewers than normal, right? So, no one was expecting this, so you can ask whatever you want in the chat. We didn't even talk about some stocks if people are concerned about any stocks for tomorrow. Although they're quite on track. I don't have concern about really any of those charts that we've been charting. So my only concern is that we haven't charted crypto enough, right? So we're missing some things. Hey Garrett, how can you learn to chart like the crew, like the stock pirates? Everyone's learning at their own rate, at their own pace. If you want to take your learning to the next step, check out our Discord community. We have people posting their own charts here every day. learning together. Talking about the next hot day trades every day. And stick around. I like to give out free memberships. It's pretty cool in the chat. That's actually a tall order for some folks. You'd be surprised. Cool. Hey, Mina. Mina's accumulating. We don't have an HBAR chart, Jeff. Not yet. I'll get to that in a few minutes. I want to touch on a couple other main points first before we dive into a particular altcoin. So, yeah, we're looking at the Dixie still because it's open, even though the markets are closed. This affects crypto, so check it out. We had a hard dip. Somehow, some way, there's a hard dip. And it bounced. So it hasn't really moved after all. But it's heading in the right direction. A step in the right direction. It's better than a breakout up here. So that's something to watch for crypto traders, and then stock traders going to the opening tomorrow. This will be very interesting, depending on where this ends up by the end of the day. So maybe even, you know, this afternoon. So I'll be live a couple hours at least. Starting, catching up with friends in the chat. Yeah, it'll be relevant to see where it is in an hour or two even. If this was a big bounce. Fake out, shake out, and it is gonna break out later today, or if it does roll over. We're hoping it rolls over, so that's important to note for the whole crypto market, is that we're seeing breakouts partially because of this dip. And it's on track. It's not bad at all. So that led to a push up on Ethereum. That led to a push on Bitcoin. And it popped that psychological 52 big ones. So that's what that helped with that dollar dip. Helped pop it through 52,000 flat, piercing that resistance. There's some spam in the chat. The plank. He's going in the big. Hey Michael, we'll look at Litecoin for sure. Lining up a couple of good altcoins. I'm planning to work on that list. Stock Pirates list of altcoins. Litecoin's on there. Looks like we hit a fib on it. Okay, so dollar's important to note right now, right? With that dip that helped some of these coins break out recently. We're hoping it continues in this direction downwards soon. Look at the altcoin total market cap. So it is without Bitcoin. It's almost at a new all-time high. This is the highest it's ever been over here on the left. We're almost there right now. Like we could see that right now in time. So that would be a huge event, just generally speaking, for the altcoins there. Not only have they recovered all of the value that they lost on the dip back here over the last few months. Huge dip, over 50% retracement on the entire market cap for altcoins there. Not only has it completely recovered that, it's about to go to a new all-time high potentially. That's why Cardano's popping. That's why Ethereum's popping. So Ethereum in theory, see that 7 times fast, is also trying to go to a new all-time high. That's why we like these altcoins right now. Good opportunities, because they're trying to go to new all-time highs, let alone recover their lost value. Ethereum's recovered all the lost value from that retracement. Now it's trying to go even higher. Cool. Oh yeah, we're definitely still bullish on VeChain. That's on the radar. Well, some pirates have been accumulating VeChain. It's a good choice. Here's the HBAR, brand new chart. Let's check it out. I'm already getting hesitant about it. And it's not because the chart. It's not because this looks bad. It's not anything about HBAR itself. Okay, the reason I'm hesitant is because it's gone so far already. It's not too bad off the bounce. From about 15 cents to 30 cents, 100%. Not loud enough, True Trout. Try not to destroy my voice for tomorrow. I'm fucking with the playlist. So that's not too bad from the bounce of a premium to pay. But let's look at the bottom here back last year. Here's where it gets sketch, is you're paying 850% compared to where it blasted off originally. January 2021, that was just the beginning of this year. So this thing's already gone up 850% past 9 months. So that doesn't mean it won't go higher here. Still looks like it has potential. Breakout, go to all-time high, like many of the other altcoins, but that move's not going to be as substantial. So if you're getting in now, you're way late on this HBAR entry. Maybe you can get a few 100% on that next impulsive wave, but it's not going to compare to some of the other coins. Unless you're talking about long-term targets, but even still, showing a quick fib projection target way up here. You know, that's $1.50. So that's nice, like 400+% long-term target right there. I don't think it compares to some of the other ones. Even Litecoin, okay, so perfect transition to Litecoin now. It's now on the intraday here. We have an update with Litecoin over the weekend. It's hit this fib, it appears. I haven't checked it since. This is 0.5. Sets a short-term target on Litecoin. Hence the slowdown, speed bump, slight bit of red. That's okay, because we're looking at holding it for longer term. That was never our target, really, just for certain day traders. On the bounce breakout, you know. Now it's ready to go higher. So it does take some time for money to flow from the larger market caps to the smaller market caps, similar to in the stock market, with the overbought, overvalued stocks going into the undervalued stocks. Oh shit, my bag. I was rocking out, kicking the wires out. I bet boy, that's how casual the stream is right now. Serious business, but we're just saying too. Litecoin going to 1,000 this run. Let's see about that, maybe. I promise I'll kick it again. I pushed it way back. So I'm putting Litecoin side by side with Ethereum. Litecoin on the left, Ethereum on the right. Suppose I'll get a clean chart. I'm gonna show you how Litecoin's trying to follow Ethereum. Litecoin's smaller market cap, so it hasn't quite taken off yet. Litecoin is behind, and it's looking to catch up. It really is. Okay, so Ethereum on the right. Completely recovered the local high. Litecoin on the left isn't even close to that target. That was always our target area, 350. Just for now, just for this bounce. Big breakout down here, 200 psychological breakout. Litecoin bulls feel really good about that. What do you mean, Corey? About Ethereum flipping the dominance? There's potential for Ethereum to overtake a Bitcoin market cap. This is why it's important to check coin market cap when you're trading stuff. Ethereum's like half the size of Bitcoin. Talking $1 trillion market cap compared to like 500 billion on Ethereum. So it's possible, it's not completely far-fetched. But Ethereum would have to more than double and then go faster than Bitcoin's going up. So part of the thing with the altcoins right now is they're breaking out, but they're not exactly going straight up at the moment. Part of that is because Bitcoin's going up too. So when Bitcoin goes up, the dominance does favor Bitcoin. while that's happening. And of course we have our dominance chart, so it's come quite low in the short term. The dominance has been trending down at least a few weeks here. So this helps the altcoins maintain their bullishness. And we might see a continuation downwards right now, which would be very nice. Help the altcoins go even higher. So it's not exactly Ethereum versus Bitcoin, it's Bitcoins versus the whole altcoin market, which one's growing at a quicker rate while the altcoin market has been. So far, for past month or so, all of August, altcoin market been in a hard downtrend. And now it's at such a point where it's coming back down to the support on the left here, the local bottom. So we'll have to see how that goes for now. It could bounce from there, which isn't bad. It just means maybe Bitcoin's popping. Maybe Bitcoin goes on a big push here. And then altcoins versus Bitcoin, temporarily Bitcoin's outperforming them here, while Bitcoin's moving up quickly. And then people sell their Bitcoin for their altcoins, goes down again. So we could have a pretty big chop here, pretty big bounce, if Bitcoin keeps breaking out. Now that we've hit 52, we're looking at 56,000 for our next target. It's always been the area. It's really never changed, and it's quite interesting how Bitcoin has managed to work its way right inside these yellow trend lines. Support and resistance lines. I've not moved those lines, so I didn't draw those after the fact. Here's the real resistance in the red box. 52 to 56. So we've only just started to play around with that resistance area. I'm expecting it to continue into this red box for now. That's where we're really gonna have to see what's the deal. Chart hack, the blue trend line there, guys. A little Denwo chart hack from last week. Hey Tomas, thanks for joining us. Afternoon charting. I made a coffee and I was like, this isn't right without the crew sitting down to some Bitcoin charts watching it blast off without the crew by themselves. Labor Day. Not for traders. Pop squash. Yeah, happy Labor Day, everyone. In the best way of make some money. Trades. I was waiting for a more life. Sheba, Sheba, Sheba. Hey, Hornet, man. We can dive into some interesting ones. Okay, Nimandra. I'll put up all those charts in the chat. There's nothing bad about Litecoin at all. In fact, the opposite. It's one of the more attractive charts lately because it's one of the top coins. It's so popular, so it always has been. People haven't forgot about Litecoin. It's just gone down the list. So it's number 14, but it used to be like number 3 or 4. Now it's number 14. 4 billion, 14 billion market cap. It was quite large, but nothing compared to Ethereum, 460 billion Ethereum, Chainlink 16, Litecoin 14. See what I'm saying? Like, Ethereum, Cardano, even Cardano's quite large, nearly $100 billion market cap. These are not the ones you want to be looking at right now. Stay away from the top 7. Solana is number 7 now. These are the ones with the most risk. They've gone so far that they could come down quite far nowadays. Dogecoin. Stay away from the top 10 actually. Fuck that. Honestly, top 15, top 100, top 150, those are the ones that have a lot more room for growth. So for real, Litecoin could go 10x from here and still not even be close to the market cap of Ethereum. Hey, Snap, Rise and Shine, David Adams, Omar, Ben Hookwell. Very cool. Thanks for joining me, everyone. Omar, we entered bearish trades on 2 of those stocks you mentioned. Hey, East West, he wants to get out of Dogecoin, or do you need more patience with it? I hope that's not all you're holding. Alright, real quick, I'm gonna give you a teaser. We can talk about it more later. So we just finished talking about how bullish Litecoin is. Trying to recover the local high. Well, guess what? It never even went past the old all-time high. This is a 2017 price. 400, that's where it was earlier this year. It never even went higher than that. It's bound to sooner or later. And the way the other altcoins are ripping, it's got a lot of potential right now. Like, yeah, okay, so it could hit 1,000. It could hit 1,000, yeah. 5x from here. Whoever said that earlier about Litecoin 1,000 target. Here's something even better. Grayscale Litecoin. We happened to stumble upon the chart last night. Was it the night before? I can't even remember at this point. We were looking at it together on the voice chat party, and I've had my eye on this chart ever since it came out back here. But I haven't been charting it. I've never looked at it for 9 months. It's bottomed out. It's at the lowest it's ever been, for that matter. Like a giant fucking bear trap right there. I wasn't interested after it mooned already. We may have spotted this at the perfect time. It might rip tomorrow. I wouldn't be surprised at all if this opens pre-market big. Pretty much James, man. Because all I'm hearing is bye. Of course, not financial advice, not financial advice for entertainment only. That's what the chart, some of these charts are saying. So, you can trade the hype of Litecoin. This lags. It doesn't exactly follow the perfect breakout timing as Litecoin does. So Litecoin will break out, but this won't until like 2 weeks later or whatnot. I think that's what we're seeing here. I remember that back in the early days on it. It does mimic Litecoin very much. So here's where Litecoin was popping. $400. This went even higher. Somehow, I don't even know. It doesn't even make sense. This one even higher than the actual price of Litecoin. This one at $450 per share. I'm pretty certain it is on Fidelity. I don't know about any other platforms. Yeah, so, okay. Not only is it bottomed out, right? And, like, it was an awesome opportunity back here. If we had the channel running back then, I would have told you guys about it. Like, that was a nice trade back here. It went 14, 15x back here, guys. So, we're talking about if this really is the bottom, which there are reasons to think it is. We're talking about midterm 9x, 900%, 1000%, long term 20x. What if it goes to a new all-time high? This could be a stupid chart, like 30x fucking targets long term. We like these big targets, these big bangers. And it has reason to do that. Whoa, also, look at all this volume. Some traders really care about the volume. Well, look at that volume on the weekly. Never before seen massive volume coming in at the very bottom. Huge long-term targets. And like one more thing, we're not even really talking about the indicators, but even just so the candle bars. Look at this giant bullish engulfing candle on a weekly. Just starting to break out the local trend. Short-term trend breakout. Hey, Elgin Carp. Geo's Adventure. Yeah, Digibyte. It depends how far Digibyte's gone up already. I just wanted to show you guys that first. We can talk more about it later. Okay, it's not too bad actually. It looks better than I expected on Digibyte. This one's very volatile. When it does pump, it moves very fast. Alright, we're gonna use the Binance Tether chart. So Digibyte's quite popular. We need to take a peek at coin market cap. So we don't really have a good chart for it. Oh yeah, so it's worked its way up the list. It made its way up to the top 100. It's right there, number 100 now. I think it was like 120 or something when y'all were talking about it last month. Hey Omar, BBIG and SPRT, those were two of the only trades that we had successful bearish trades on. Couple people went bearish on those trades and made money on them going down last week. Hey Susan. Yeah. It was very popular, Michael. Problem solving capabilities, good developers, whatnot, cool. So we like that it's a small market cap nowadays. Relatively small, it's still quite big. $1 billion is not small. It's kind of wild when we're comparing them to our stocks. Like even the top 50 cryptos are bigger than some of our favorite stocks. $5 billion market caps on these things. So that's not too bad, because think about it, if the entire crypto market cap keeps going on a run, the entire altcoin market cap keeps going on a run. Digibyte, it could see a lot bigger market cap than that one day. So from 1 billion, maybe 20 billion, 25. So you're talking 20x long term, right? Just like that with a small market cap. I don't think Digibyte's going anywhere. It's too popular. People are holding this thing. They've been essentially diamond handing it for years. Maybe we do have a more long-term chart. There we go. Bitfinex. It's been on a long-term bull run since 2020. So the more bullish projects have held this long-term bull run. After the epic crypto bounce last month, many of the good projects have held this long-term support trend line in blue like that. So I don't really think we are gonna get a nice dip on it right now, a nice entry on some of these things. Digibyte might go to an all-time high. Green alert. So that's a nice big target. Should look a little high. Let's say from here, 100+%. So if you really like Digibyte, there's reason to be accumulating it down here. Okay, so here's the area where people got rich off Digibyte. And green. Here's the buy box on it. And gold. And here's the bounce off it. And this is what Cardano did. Straight up. It may just be a matter of time here. Since it's so far down on the list, the market cap list. Bitcoin and Ethereum are popping first, then the money flows down to these ones. So, what's one that's higher up on the list to reflect that? Chainlink. Look at Chainlink straight up. My goodness. Thanks, Angel. Like Captain's paintings. After that breakout, $30 psychological number. So that's a tasty day trade right there anyway. 25% just on that breakout for day traders is why personally I like crypto trading more than the stock market, you know? EMB Sunday afternoon making 25% on your Chainlink. It's perfectly hit our target, a green line there. Now you have to figure out what's next. So we put that green line on there ever since the bounce. That was the fib target. We're going. God damn. Even Chainlink with this price action. Dollars rolling over. Chainlink's looking to keep going here. I think there's just a slowdown because it's a big target. Day traders taking profits there. Yeah, Garrett, good question. Any particular crypto plays for this week? Well, they're in action right now. So these are plays that we were watching from Friday. Now they're blasting. So it's a great chance to update our charts, see where we might be going over the next week. And honestly, the way it's fucking looking right now, I'm trying to call it 2-2 quickly here in our session, our charting session. It would be nice to see a bit more price action on the dominance and the dollar. So the way that we're looking for bottomed out stocks to be entering in the stock markets and then holding them and they keep going green, right? And we're charting the dollar value to try and figure out which ones are gonna keep going anyway. You can do that with the altcoins. Like some of these altcoins are gonna keep going up anyway. So Chainlink's a big breakout there from 30 hitting 35. Yo, Patterham. Hey, Tommy Lynn. If the dollar keeps rolling over here, if we keep seeing red like now, going into the next hour, 30 minutes here, I think Chainlink may keep going. I think Chainlink's going to keep going through that green line this week, as long as the dollar doesn't go straight up. I think it's outperforming a lot of other altcoins right now because it's high up on the list. It's not too far down. Number 12. It is very high on the list here. So it started with Bitcoin and Ethereum and Cardano. Now we're seeing it on, on Chainlink. Maybe some of these other ones, Litecoin. Now we're seeing it on Litecoin and Chainlink. The new money flowing, and we're seeing it on the ICP. Matic, 18% green. VeChain, 22% green. Oh man, we're seeing it on VeChain, guys. VeChain's working its way up the list, number 23. Could be top 20 soon. Head of Avalanche and Stellar Lumens. Yeah, it could. It should go ahead of Matic there. It should go ahead of ICP, honestly. I think VeChain's looking to work its way higher up the list. Chainlink's probably gonna stay high up the list. Dogecoin may fall lower on the list. Someone's kind of concerned about it earlier. I'll take a peek at Dogecoin chart for real. But that's giving me the feeling that this shit may keep popping. By tomorrow you might see it, $37, $40, and that just keeps going and going. On Chainlink, that's a nice choice right now. I do like Litecoin as well for this week. Day traders, swing traders. ICP, here's the ICP one. It's been breaking out. ICP has broken through. seeing the light? It hit like $87. And that's the highest it's been in a long time. At least since early June. So it's been very low since a few months. Now we're seeing it hit $87 there on a brand new uptrend. Hey, nice treasure emojis, native. The plunder ICP. So basically, if you entered this any time in the past 2-3 months, it's in profits. It's close to $80. So it's like, sure, if you were watching this short term, there would have been panic here. Just like in our stock trades when the market's open red, let's say, and it's like, oh fuck, like BlackBerry's down 10%, but then it fakes people out, keeps going green, right? It's interesting how ICP is right in between the trend lines. Just like Bitcoin. And yellow and orange trend lines, but Bitcoin's pretty hot.
What's your opinion on ZEC, ESP, and FUM for comparing to vol/ICP entry and potential growth?
Thanks, Mr. Nimbus. Zcash, right. I was reading you talking about it on Discord this morning, actually. It very well may have trading potential. I don't remember anything super exciting about the project. I always thought it was kind of awkward how they have cash in the name. I don't gravitate towards those projects that have cash in the name for real though. Bitcoin Cash, Zcash, again, Litecoin Cash, Dogecoin Cash, like, I think that's part of the reason it stayed flat. I can't remember the details of why I don't love it or anything. But people aren't even really talking about it anymore. Sometimes that's a good thing. In this instance, it might not be helping it. Number 66. If any crypto OGs in that chat remember anything stand out about it, feel free. But that might mean something to you all on its own, bro. That Captain's not interested in this. I just never was. It never was anything that got me excited or stood out for whatever reason. Yeah. It has similarities to a lot of these other altcoin charts. It does. I can't deny that because I'm unbiased about the chart. That was my personal opinion about it, okay, but now where the chart comes into play. It does have similarities to some of these other epic bounces, right? So you got some things going on there for the bulls long term. There are things that I have questions about with the due diligence on it. I will do some research more into this one, especially with that name. Those kind of projects just don't have the best reputation generally, so make sure you feel comfortable about what they're trying to accomplish with their white paper, with their use case. But I'll really keep an eye on some of these triangles too, because this one could take a lot longer to play out here. I have some hesitancy about this one. And on the chart, like, it's not just the sentiment, it's also Litecoin. Alright, back here, 2017, this top on Zcash, Litecoin's already gone back up there. Litecoin's so bullish, it's already almost it's more like halfway, okay? $200, $400 top. Litecoin's well on its way there. Ethereum is up there. Cardano's beyond there. Even Bitcoin's getting close. Zcash is kind of flat. I don't think it's that hype right now. So Litecoin never made it to a new all-time high, but it still is very bullish there. Zcash hasn't even come close to getting back to its old value. So that one might be deceiving, bro. I mean, look at Ethereum just straight up here. Not really seeing signs of that on Zcash, even if it does have big targets like that. Mediblock native? That's what you're talking about? MED? I've never heard of it. Yeah, that was like a 3-part question. Let me see what else you have. Oh, okay. Just a couple other ESP and FUN. I think, yeah, I saw your charts you posted right there. I might pull up your chart for it. Hey, Ernie. AMC. Hey, Dave Smith. Here it says medical files via blockchain. Step number 1. It's not on the top 100. 138. Ernie, I was about to crush some turks all on my own. Thought the crew might like to join. People who maybe don't have a family or are around their family. Some hardcore fucking traders. A crypto crew, you know. No sleep, gang. The volume's very small. Wait, what the fuck? And native, a volume, 24-hour trading volume on this has dropped 73%. What the hell? It's a significant decline in the 24-hour volume. Something seems off about that. What the fuck? Yesterday's volume? $350 million. Check this out, guys. $350 million yesterday's volume. And the price hardly moved. Okay. Okay, well today, the price hardly moved. 95 million. There's no volume today, Labor Day, man. But still, the fuck? 350 compared to 95 trading volume. Volume dried up completely, honestly. Yeah, what the? Look at the volume bars down here. You have all these giant bars, and then you have one really tiny one just starting, like, that's our current volume. It's nothing. Tiny red candle. This is the stuff that sticks out to the cabinet. Be careful of that one. The barcoding, well, cause I'm on a short time frame and small market cap. So the low volume is chunky price action. This is a 4-hour chart, so very choppy. This one looks very like whales are just having fun with this. Doesn't mean it's bad. Should just be aware of that. Looks like it'd be quite hard to time the pumps on this thing. As soon as it pops, some big selling action just drives it down immediately every time. So it's kind of like, even if it does pop, are you gonna hit the target? Are you gonna be there ready for that? Not the safest one to go heavy on, and it could be slow moving. ICP was moving fast. There's really nothing wrong with it. It looks quite bullish. Short term, mid term, long term. Yeah, it's essentially the trading algorithms, trading bots, Todd, but it's real people's orders are priced in there too. There's just not much people trading that thing in general. Apparently. So even if you have a really big target, this is something I had to learn over the years with the altcoin market. Even if you have a sick target there, if this one's not being very hyped up and not many people are talking about or trading it, it could take a lot longer than you hope, a lot longer than you expect. Cause you could end up going like all in on this thing, thinking it's gonna pump right up here real quick. And then it's like next year and it's only halfway up. You definitely wanna make sure there's a lot of excitement about them. And they're not just gonna kinda like fade out into the distance or anything. Potentially Bitcoin or something. I do think Dogecoin is in that circumstance because you have a technical breakout here like a lot of other altcoins, so it's starting to deviate from the resistance from the hard downtrend. But it's like, how hot is Dogecoin right now nowadays? Not as hot as Ethereum, not as hot as Cardano. I think everyone can agree on that right now, so Dogecoin's probably not going to be going like straight up here. It could take a long time to go flat like AMC. Relatively flat anyway. And then trending in a bear box on Dogecoin for like 3 months, I don't know. It just doesn't have that same hype. It's not like VeChain or Chainlink right now going straight fucking up. That's why. Hey Miss Harris, thanks for stopping by. Mr. Nimbus had asked about a couple other charts. I don't know what ESP is, or if you even spelled that right, the ticker. Not seeing an ESP crypto. Fun fair though. Okay. I don't know much about it, but I remember when it first came out, it was really small. Not many people knew about it when it first came out. It looks like it's gone up a lot over the year. Want to check where it's sitting on the market cap. EPS, Mr. English. Fun token. I think that's it. Pretty sure it's the same thing. Yeah, same price. Rank 175, yeah, still pretty far down on the list, so not many people do know about it. Not much volume. At least it's not crazy change in volume from yesterday. That was very odd. That was a warning flag on that other one. It's down 75% volume, 24 hours. Small market cap. Alright. So I challenge you this, Mr. Nimbus. Fun token. 300 mil market cap. Well, why not VThor though? It's like, why enter that instead of VThor? It's almost same market cap. It's got, that's actually, VThor's got 54% increase in 24-hour trading volume. That's a lot of increase in the volume on VThor today. Yeah, it's almost the same rank too, you know, so it's like, you might as well just be looking at this instead of fun token. My humble opinion. Unless you really like fun token for whatever reason, but like, are you really trying to get rich off fun token? Like, when it comes to these ones that are close to 200, number 200 or 250 rank, hey,
Looked in an old wallet, found $3 Shusi tokens, don't remember getting them. Are they going anywhere?
yeah, probably. Because when it comes to these ones, rank 250, it's like, you gotta find a really good project if you're going that far down the list. It's increasing volume there. Now the fully diluted market cap's actually quite large. No, not. Wait a second. 900 million fully diluted market cap. What the fuck? This is the real deal. We're really figuring this out right now. Fun token, yeah, 300 million market cap. Rank 175. Rank 245. Fully diluted 900 million market cap. Some of these are off. I'm not exactly sure why that is. The circulating supply, I suppose, is like 33%. Some of these look off, guys. You gotta be careful about these ones. This stuff sticks out to me, like, just that alone being unknown factor is a reason I would not choose this one. You don't really know what may be going on there with the supply. Maybe 2/3 of these supply, the coins are just gonna get unloaded like any time for whatever reason. Cool, so sushi swap. Yeah, poor enough. No one's even asked about it yet. Ever. Yeah, Todd, I think that market cap is reflecting the circulating supply there. It looks like on Sushi Swap as well. 50% and the fully diluted market cap is about double the market cap. So So you really do want to be looking at the fully diluted market cap. That's going to be more relevant than the market cap, because if you're trying to long-term hold and more of the supply gets released into the markets, it's going to have an effect on it. Okay, so it's number 74. I think it was a lot higher at one point. If I remember correctly, this thing got wrecked. Like, it got rug pulled. So a bunch of moon boys FOMO'd into it when it first came out, and then it got smacked. Let's take a peek at the history. That must be it. This must have been that rug pull. When it dropped 90+% in like, well, 1 week. This thing dropped like a rock when it first came out. Looks like it's recovered and then came down with a lot of other cryptos and then bounced. Yeah, it's probably still gonna go up over time, because this one actually is a popular platform.